Hello students, happy greetings to all here. I am Pradeepa from Department of Business Administration. Now I am going to share about the topic is arithmetic mean. Before entering this topic, we have to know about what is business statistics. So, business statistics is the application of statistical methods to business problems for decision making under uncertainty. It helps organization analyze data, forecast trends, improve operations and reduce risk. So, arithmetic mean is one of the important topic in business statistics. Now, we'll know about arithmetic mean. So, basically, arithmetic mean means we usually called as average or central value. So, we get it by adding all numbers and dividing by how many numbers are there. It helps to understand the central value of data. So, it also having formula. It is based on individual observations and frequency distributions. Individual observation means it having only one column, that is called X values. We mentioned it. And frequency distributions is it having two column. One is X column and another one is frequency column. So individual observations or individual series formula is X bar. Arithmetic means is known as X bar is equal to summation X by N. Summation X is denoted by sum of all observations and N is denoted by total number of observations. And then frequency distribution having summation Fx divided by summation F. So F is denoted by frequency, X is sometimes they are given class value or class interval or observation also. So summation Fx is equal to sum of frequency is multiplied by value and then summation F is equal to total frequency. So now we will see one example. So here is the question for some arithmetic mean. So the table below shows marks obtained by students in a business statistics test. Find the arithmetic mean. So they are giving marks X column and the number of students F column. So we have to find the arithmetic mean by using the formula of frequency distribution. Okay. Now we have to put a 3 column. First we should write the marks column and frequency column exactly as they are giving in this question. Now we have to multiply the X column and F column, like 35 into 2 70, 42 into 4 168, 48 into 5 240, likewise. Now we have to calculate the others. Okay, then we calculate the total frequency, which is 50. Total frequency means frequency column 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 8 plus 10 plus 7 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2, which is equal to 50. It is called as summation F. Okay, and then we calculate the total of frequency multiplied by marks, like the last column 70 plus 168 plus 240 plus 440 plus 610 plus 476 plus 370 plus 324 plus 264 plus 190, which is equal to 3152. Now we have to apply the formula, which means arithmetic formula. X bar is equal to summation Fx by summation F. Summation Fx is equal to 3152 and then summation F is equal to 50. So 3152 divided by 50 is equal to 63.04. So the average mark of the student is 63.04. Okay, now we are going to see the advantages of arithmetic mean. So first one is simple to understand. It is easy to calculate and interpret also. And then second one is uses all observations, like every value in the data set is included. And then third one is further statistical analysis for basis for variance, standard deviation and regression also. And then fourth one is helps in comparison. Compare sales, profit and performance across groups. It is very helpful in this manner. And also it is widely accepted by all the peoples, like most use the average in economics, business and research also. Everything has advantages and also having disadvantages also. The first disadvantages is affected by extreme values. Very high or low values distort the mean. For example, one extremely high salary skews the average. And then second disadvantage is not for qualitative data. It is not useful for non-numerical data like color, gender or brand preferences. We cannot use it for these sessions. And then third one is open-end class intervals. It is very difficult to calculate when class intervals are incomplete, like 0 to 4 and then 5 to 10. It is very difficult to calculate. And then final disadvantage is unrealistic values. Mean may not exist in the data set. For example, when we calculate the average number of children in a family, we may get values sometimes like 2.3 or 3.4. But in reality, we cannot have 2.3 children or 3.4 children in a family. We can only say 2 children or 3 children. In some cases, the arithmetic mean gives unrealistic values. They cannot be accepted in real life. This is one of the disadvantage in arithmetic mean. So now real life applications are here. The first one is in education, it helps to average marks, attendance and pass percentages. And then in business and commerce, it is used to find out the average sales, profit, production and employee salary. And in banking and finance, it helps to calculate average customer balance, loan amount and return on investment. In sport analytics, it is used to find the average runs, goals and points scored by players. In economics, average income, arithmetic means helps to measure average income, expenditure and per capita income. And in manufacturing, it is used to calculate average output, machine efficiency and defect rate. So the final and then conclusion is arithmetic is one of the most important tool in business statistics. It is also important for best decision making also. So simple, systematic and widely used across business, education, economics and finance also. So I hope you all understood this topic clearly. Thank you, students.